Next up, we're going to connect a mail account using our SMTP connection option. So again, we're going to head on into Add Account, and I'm going to select SMTP. Now, on this page, you are going to notice that we're going to ask you for some information. If you are not sure what the host name should be or what port numbers you need to be using, this is information that you're going to get from your email provider. Sometimes just a quick Google search and you'll find the needed information. If you're not able to easily find it, you'll definitely want to reach out to your email provider and ask for the SMTP and IMAP port numbers and host names. Some mail apps will require you to create an app-specific password. So if that's the case, you'll just want to follow their instructions for doing that, and you'll use that app password in the password space. In the case of yahoo.com, which is the email I'm going to be connecting today, they do require you to have an app-specific password to give an app access to that mail account. So I've already created that, and the send name is going to be Trevor, and the host name, whenever I did a little Google search, it was just smtp.mail.yahoo.com. And the port number they said to use was port number 465. They did give a second option, so if this doesn't work this time, I'll try the 587, but I'm pretty sure that that one is going to work. This is the email address, and I have my app-specific password over here. Put that in here, and I'm going to put that password here as well. The IMAP port number they wanted me to use is 993, so that's going to work out well. And I will click verify, and I'll take just a few moments, and then we should see this mail account connected. Again, you're going to see the option to go ahead and set up your scheduling rules and signature. I'll just do that at a later date, but now I am seeing it right here.